Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Jakur. In this video I'm going to talk about the battery life details about the Realme GT Neo 2 after the recent software update. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video. So this video I'll try to include the ideal overnight battery drain test details because that's most important thing. So few of the smartphones they'll be able to not drain much battery, but few phones after the software updates they'll try to drain a lot. I mean close to 10% battery will be just decreased if you keep the phone ideal state. That's the main reason why I'm trying to focus on this particular thing at this moment first. So just yesterday only I did update to the latest version, which is the October security patch update in the Realme GT Neo 2, and I did take a couple of screenshots yesterday before sleeping and after waking up in the morning and after some time as well. I'll be able to show you the screenshots and all the details how the battery is draining overnight. So first let's go to the gallery and let me just show you the screenshot which I taken yesterday night around 11:53 p.m. As you can see, night before sleeping I thought of showing you. This is a screenshot which I taken, and today morning I did take the screenshot again around close to 9:28 and 38% it got decreased. So overall there's a drain of close to I think 3% the battery got decreased in the Realme GT Neo 2 during the overnight draining test. If you try to look at the time duration, I think it's kind of close to 8 hours of time or 9 hours after 8 to 9 hours of time in that between, so not a much draining I would definitely say. So anything less than 5% it's kind of a good sign. And during this time there is only single SIM card, as you can see, single SIM card, and there is no Wi-Fi connection, there is no 4G data connection, there is no background applications running. So one of the important tip is that in case if you feel any kind of battery is draining a lot, try to disable the external RAN capabilities. So don't try to use that. So because even if you use also, it doesn't make any kind of sense. So better to disable that. And usually I'll try to do this kind of testing. Every time I'll try to clear all the background applications before sleeping. And there is no Wi-Fi, there is no mobile data, I'll not keep anything. And one more thing, I'll try to go to the process manager and I'll try to clean everything from the deep clean. Okay, so these are the steps I usually follow every time whenever I try to do the overnight draining test. Try to follow these same steps. Try to get to know how much battery is draining and let me know in the comment section below how much battery draining you are facing. Maybe 2% or maybe 3%. If it's more than 5%, then something strange is happening. Even if you're trying to use one single SIM card. And one more thing, it also depends upon the network coverage of the signals, how strong the signals are. Even those are the small things also it matters. So make sure to check all those details and try to do the proper testing. So in my case, I can definitely say that, so 3 to 4% in my case, that's all I did notice during the 8 to 9 hours of usage. I mean ideal time. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and very soon I'll try to come back with the overall screen on time. If you want, you can take a look at the sample screen on time as well. It was 4 hours 39 minutes, but I can definitely stretch kind of close to 7 hours if I try to use the phone. So I'll try to come back the screen on time with the later on after 2 to 3 days of usage. Then we'll be able to understand slightly better. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off.